In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Minecraft mods not loading in TLauncher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The most common reason for this issue happening is because you didn't set the mods you downloaded properly. For example, if a mod needs Fabric or Forge to use, you might want to double check if you've installed those properly for the same version of the mod you are trying to run. So go to minecraftforge.net or fabricmc.net and make sure you set up these two properly. Lastly, make sure to double check if you've downloaded the correct mod version as well. So wherever you go to CurseForge, make sure to download the proper mod for your version. So after you ensure that you got all the steps right, open up TLauncher and select the folder icon on the right side of install. Make sure that your mods are all included in the folder mods, and if you don't have a mods folder, create one inside .minecraft. As long as you open up the proper profile, that being Forge or Fabric, your mods should load in properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft mods not loading in TLauncher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.